In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to tasks in Wrike. This is an essential skill for keeping your projects organized and ensuring effective communication with your team. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the task that you'd like to comment on. To do this, navigate through your projects or folders in your Wrike workspace. Take a moment to look through the list of tasks associated with your project. Once you locate the specific task you want to address, just click on it to open its task view. This is where the magic happens, so make sure you're looking at the right task. Now that you have the task open, you need to find the comment section. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the task view, and there you will see the activity stream. This is where all the action takes place, including your comments. In the activity stream, look for a text box labeled "Write a comment." It's typically right there, waiting for you to jump in. With the comment box in front of you, it's time to compose your message. This is where you type out your update, question, or any thoughts you want to share regarding the task. Remember to make it clear and concise so that your teammates can easily understand your point. Now, here's a neat feature you might want to use: @mentions. If you want to loop in specific team members or groups, simply type the symbol followed by their name. Wrike will help you out by dropping down a list of names to choose from. This feature is super handy for notifying people directly when you need their input or action on something specific related to the task. Once you're satisfied with your message, it's time to post the comment. You have a couple of options here. You can either click the Send button located next to the text box, or if you prefer a quicker method, just press Enter on your keyboard. Either way, your comment will instantly be posted to the activity stream. That's it. Your team members will now be able to see your comment and respond accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully added a comment to a task in Wrike. With this simple process, you can enhance collaboration and maintain a clear line of communication with your team. So remember to utilize the @mentions when you need specific input from certain individuals. Keeping your comments clear and organized will streamline your discussions and help your projects run smoothly. If you have any questions or need clarification on anything we covered today, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful. That way, you won't miss out on more great tips and tricks for using Wrike effectively.